Job of the day. We are servicing this single axle torsion. It's got 8 lugs on it and a bunch of the wiring's hanging down. So I'm gonna clean all this wiring up, make sure it looks clean, make sure the brakes are working. It did have an actuator or a hydraulic actuator for the front for the brakes, but it looks like they changed it out to electric. So I'm gonna clean all this wiring up, make sure his brakes are working. We're gonna do bearings. I did bring extra brakes just in case. Driver's side tire's off. Nasty. Let's get this hub. Oh, holy moly. All right, well, that gets a new backing plate. Safe to say the seal blew out. A little different. Changing that backing plate out for that backing plate. And boltsandnuts.com holding it down. Getting 5 lock washers and 5 new fasteners. Not holding it down. These are coarse thread. Well, not holding it down, but it is getting 5 new lock washers, and I'll clean up these other fasteners. These little bad boys are fine thread. I do prefer the flange on these, but I don't have any more flange. I used them all. Yep. Wire is clear out the back, does not smash. Tight, tight, tight. And if you're putting on and off 12-inch backing plates, it's a 9/16 socket for these fasteners. Tight, tight, tight. Good, spindle's clean. I think they greased it and didn't check if it was coming through, but it just blew out the whole back seal. We fix it. All right, hub's all clean. Races are in good condition, so we don't need to change those out. Gonna do one more wipe of the brake surface. I hit it with some brake clean. Got all the grease off of it. It's good to go. New backing plate is on. I need to wire it in, but I got hubs going on. Hub is on. Outer bearing is on. Washer, spindle nut, hand tight, free spinning. And the tight a little bit more. Good. New lug nuts. Everything's free spinning on here. Good, good. Now we need to adjust the brakes. Well, let's pack this hub first. Grease bucket going. Hub packed. Backing plate, new backing plate is on. I need to adjust these brakes, and I also need to wire in these brakes, but dust cap's going on. Dust cap is installed. If you ever need a dust cap pounder, 3x3 by 120 is the perfect size for an 8 lug dust cap. And adjust the brakes. Brakes are locked up. More off. Slight rubbing. One more. That works. Let's get these wiring down and clean. Alright, brakes are adjusted on the driver's side, and I am shrink wrapping the butt connectors. Brakes wired. I got 12 volts going straight to the brakes. Brake is locked up on this side, so this wiring is good. Good, and brakes are off, and it's free spinning. Perfect. We got that, we got that. We can put the tire on this side, work on the other side now. And we'll just start cleaning up wiring as it goes. Driver's side done. Raise this up. Take my jack out and do the passenger side. Coming down. Passenger side coming off. Will we have a grease-covered backing plate 2 for 2? Let's see. Oh my gosh. Just a little bit of grease. Let's get this backing plate off. Good. Fasteners and backing plate off. Let's get the rest of that nastiness off of there. Got brakes wired in. I'm gonna shrink wrap the butt connectors and then put a big shrink wrap over the top of that. And wiring is shrunk wrap and shrunk wrap. Trailer had Scotch locks on it, so deleted the Scotch locks and put shrink wrap butt connectors on there. Washer, spindle nut is on. Putting the spindle retainer on. Good, good. This free spinning, I'm gonna adjust these brakes. They sound pretty close to being adjusted, but I'll adjust them up. Brake is adjusted. This free spinning. Turn it on. Locked up and free spinning. And passenger side hub is packed. Dust cap is on. All right, now let's get these wires all cleaned up. Got axle serviced, brakes are on. I just need to see if lights are gonna be working at all. I ran out of time today, but everything's sort of roughed in. I need to put the 7-way wire on there with some loom locks. I got the old breakaway off, put a new breakaway on. That one's good. I got new brakes on, new bearings on. I'm just cleaning up. There's the old brakes. But I'll be back here tomorrow, I'll finish it up. All right, got everything wired in. Hit the lights, please. Hit the right turn. This one right here, right turn. Good, right turn. And do left turn for me, please. This button right here. This button right here. Good, left turn. And now hit the top metal button right here. And we need to check brakes. Come here. I'm gonna spin it, and I need you to hit this button right here. Other button. This button. Let me have it. Spinning. Come on, brakes. Why is the electric brake not working? What are you grabbing, dude? I got left turn, I got right turn, I got marker lights. My battery from my main box is still low, and I can't seem to charge it. Driver's side is free spinning. Let's get the brakes on. Electric brakes are on. Driver's side is locked up. Driver's side is off. Driver's side is free spinning. Perfect. We'll do that in a second, buddy. See, we've got passenger side free spinning. Electric brakes are on, locked up on passenger side, and passenger side free spinning. Perfect. Front of the trailer's all done. New terminal box, new 7-way cord, new breakaway kit. Everything is on and charged. 7-way plug comes out far enough for his truck. I did change his 2 5/16 or his penalty to a 2 5/16, and now I'm going to torque the lug nuts with Atticus. Ready? Push down. Good. We're working on driver's side. Push down. Good. Hold on, please. Hold on. Push down. Good. Push down. Good. Push down. Good. Good. And last one. Good. Driver's side done. Let's go passenger side. Come on. All right. Passenger side. Good. Hold on, please. I gotta get it on there, buddy. And push. Good. Push. Good. Push. Good. And last one. Push. Good. All tires and wheels are torqued. All right, do the rundown on this. New bearings, new seals, new grease, both sides. New backing plates, driver's side and passenger side. Hubs are good. Just cleaned them out because they were covered in grease. Left turn, right turn work, marker lights work. I put a new terminal box on the front, new breakaway kit, and a new breakaway switch. It's got a new 7-way plug and loom. And I did put a new adjustable 2 5/16 coupler, swapping out his penalty. Atticus, I think we're done. This job's done, and I'm on to the next.